If you've been watching my journey, this will all make sense, but otherwise you may have to go back and watch the other videos I've done to understand how I got to this point. But I was so excited for day one. I did consider not going through and dressing up, doing pictures, but in the end, I ended up doing it, and I'm so happy that I did it because I would have missed out a lot from myself if I had chosen to be upset and not do anything. So I was very happy that I followed through till the very end. Anyway, I'm just gonna blub, talk a little bit while the video plays through because I ended up muting all of the videos. So I really wanted to thread my hair because it would have given me more volume, but because I was indecisive about what I wanted to do, I didn't do it. I didn't prepare for that. But I was happy with the way my hair turned out. And even today, I mean, it's been almost, oh my goodness, it's been a month since I shot this video. I can't believe that, but it's been a month since I shot this video, and I am so happy with how I'm feeling. My back is so much stronger. I truly deserve to be where I am because I worked very hard, and I have no choice but to continue to exercise, whether it's at the gym, at home, stretching. I have to do something because it makes me feel so much better. Anyway, I tried to have a little bit of fun taking care of myself, doing my hair, doing my makeup, and my photo shoot. I did it all by myself. I did try to hire someone to do my makeup for me because I thought I was going to participate in the gym transformation challenge, but it didn't work out. The person wasn't able to make it. If they had kept up the appointment, I probably would have gone with them anyway, but I ended up doing my makeup by myself and it turned out fine to me. So it was a lot of fun to just do everything all on my own. I spent the whole day by myself, really. It was just wonderful. I was struggling a little bit with tying my hair. The first hair tie was too short, so I had to get a longer one because my hair grew a little bit, so that was nice. Oh boy, my hair. Oh, by the way, I did something terrible. I did something so terrible. I pulled my hair while it was dry. Please don't do that to your hair. You need to put water in there, put some moisture in there to pull it, but I really wanted the style to look nice, so I sacrificed my hair and just yanked the you know what out of it. But don't do that to your hair. That's why it falls out. Oh my gosh, my hair. My hair is done. Now I can put some lotion on my face. So they say not to use oil with the tan. My lotion. Not open yet. I got this especially for doing my tanning. So they say not to use oil. I got some oil-free lotion. All right. My hair is wild and untamed right now. Hopefully, by the time I get to go do the pictures, it's gonna fix itself. But that's my hair. I love it. See? That's it. Makeup time. Alright, so you didn't get to see the whole makeup session, but here I am. I gotta do the glaze on top of the tan, so I could get better shots from the pictures. It was my first time doing this, so I would probably do the highlighting, like that arm area. I don't think I did such a wonderful job with, but overall it looked pretty good. Alright, so hopefully that's good. And with that, I'm all done. I just need my shoes, do my posing, and that's it. I struggled a lot to get to this point, and when I started this journey, I told myself that it was a journey to learn to not to give up on myself, because I had a lot of people that gave up on me when I was sick. I was sick for a very long time, 4 to 5 years, with a pinched nerve, and the pain was so debilitating. I was miserable all the time. I found it really hard to go out and be around people because all I could talk about was my pain. So majority of the time I found it easier to be at home than to be going out and be a burden to other people by bothering them and talking about my pain so much.